Look, my bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. Send it for looks, and my lips so kill. I kiss them in the mouth, I feel all grills.
Hello guys, it's your girl Datia. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm gonna dye my hair from violet, purple to burgundy red. So stay tuned and I'm gonna show all the process. So I'm gonna be using this color to dye my hair. So basically I'm gonna put my hair on 4 sections and then I'm gonna start the process. When you're using this hair dye, you're gonna put the developer, which is this, and then the color creamer, and then the concentrated fruit oil. This is just to keep your hair soft. So I'm gonna put everything and I'm gonna mix it together. Okay, so I'm gonna comb my hair completely. My hair's about to get crazy. This is what happens when you have curly hair. I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections so it could just be easier for me to apply everything. So now that I already put everything, I'm gonna let it sit for like about 30 to 45 minutes because I want this color to get all over my head and I want it to fade quick, so I'm gonna let it a little bit more. And since I already dyed my hair a couple days ago, it probably will not like take the color how it's supposed to because I already did process on my hair. So I'm gonna let it stay there for a little bit longer. Hopefully my hair don't fall out. So once everything like set up and like I wash my hair, I'm gonna come back and show you the final results and how the hair look like in natural light and inside and everything, every type of light we have. So yeah, so hello guys, this is how the hair's looking right now with the dye on. So I'm about to go and remove it to see how the color came out. Hopefully it's a nice color and I don't have to redown my hair because my hair is getting pretty thin and I can't dye no time soon. But I left this thing for like 45 minutes. So it should be good. Oh my god. I am so nervous, y'all. Okay, so I already took the dye off and everything. On this type of light, it's looking like a little bit dark. But once like I dry the hair, or once I be outside, I guess it's gonna look less black. This is not the color I want. But let's just see. Let's see how everything goes.
My lips so cute, I kiss him in the mouth. I feel all grills, heat in the car, that's wheels on wheels. Woo! I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks.